Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Hi, dear friends. For 3 years, I have been making videos, and this is the first time I have nothing to say on Saturday because the levels did not change. You can see that the levels that we discussed on Friday are still very much valid. I have not added a single line on the chart today because after NFP, yes, there was some crazy amount of volatility. We got to see downside as well as upside, but you can see that market is still the same. The market is still trading in the same range and the levels are also the same. Okay. Yes, we got to see some good amount of upside on DXY. In fact, in our last few videos, we discussed also that there's a good chance of DXY recovering after the NFP. Yes, we got to see the recovery also. But on the chart of gold, we did not get a direction. So let's try to find out. The gold slumps as the dollar jumped after the US added far more jobs than expected last month. The expected number was around 147, 148K jobs, and the actual number came around 254K jobs. It was a big difference, huge difference between the expected number and the actual number. And we also got to see some good change on the unemployment rate as well. Unemployment rate expected number was 4.2%, it came to 4.1%, so it also gave an added boost to the upside of DXY. Gold drops. Gold drops following US jobs report. So this is the ongoing market sentiment, but gold did not fall like Euro USD, JP USD. Because right after the jobs report, yes, we got to see this huge, massive red candle, but shockingly, this support level worked. Ideally, after a news, these type of levels do not work at all. 90% time we see these type of levels failing, but yesterday when market was taking support around this area, we were having a live session and I was really shocked. I was not expecting gold to take support around this area, and when I saw that gold was forming a small green candle, okay, then I understood that okay, things are about to change. This is not normal. Okay, so I exited and after that gold started going up, and now we can see that gold is still trading inside the range only. Okay, gold was sideways and gold is still sideways. If you look at the chart of DXY, then obviously, okay, DXY is bullish as we expected. The numbers came good, so dollar index is beautifully going up. Okay. And we can expect that the trend of the market will continue on DXY. But the problem is that because of other factors like the geopolitics, gold is not coming down. Okay, so that is the issue. So if you have any ongoing buy position, okay, if you have any ongoing buy position on gold, you can still hold your buy position. If you have any sell position or if you're stuck in a sell position, then you need to be careful because we were expecting downside on gold, a little bit of downside, and the market is still not coming down. So if gold breaks 2670, then you need to exit from your sell position immediately, otherwise things will be very bad. If you're a swing trader, okay, listen to me carefully. If you're a swing trader, then obviously gold is not the ideal chart for you right now. You can easily take up sell position on Euro USD, GBP USD if the downside continues. I'll explain on the other video. So right now on the chart of gold, okay, it's better for us to trade from level to level only. Yes, we are back to our level to level trading again because see market is clearly sideways. So in this type of situation, okay, obviously if we look at a positional trade swing trade, then it will be a bad decision. We need to be flexible, we need to respect the ongoing situation. That's why, okay, that's why it will be safer for us to trade from level only. Keep in mind, maximum traders lose money in sideways market because we lose patience. We end up entering on the middle of the chart and we end up losing money. If you don't want to lose money, you need to stick to the levels, then only your accuracy will be on the higher side. Okay, so What are the trading opportunities for Monday then? Okay, so I was also looking at gold on the lower time frame. Let me show you. On the lower time frame, you can see that we do not have any clear levels. So if you are a lover of the lower time frame, if you are looking for frequent trading opportunities, then it's my request, please avoid, because that is not a good practice. Try to be disciplined. Okay, on the lower time frame, we do not have any solid trading opportunity right now. If you feel that this is an inverted or it's a W pattern, yes, it seems to be a W pattern, but okay, try to avoid because volume may be lower on Monday. Now see, the market has already taken support at 2640, 2637 area couple of times. This level has been working as support for quite some time. Remember, 2530 was giving us shocks. Same thing is happening with 2640 right now. So personally, I will just tell you guys to avoid 2640 because 2640 has provides support to a market many times. So good amount of liquidity is there. There is a high chance that market will go for some stop loss hunting around this area. So please try to avoid. Okay. So on Monday, if market comes down, we have two levels. The first level will be 2627 to 2625 that we have already discussed in our Friday video. This support is still very much valid. Okay. And then we have the second support around 261. Yeah. We have the second support around 2617 to 2614. This is the second support on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. If you're wondering why, see, we can clearly see that this level of 2625 has provided support to the market. So we can expect the same. But personally, I feel that 261714 area is a better level to trade because yesterday when market fell, market just bounced from FIBO 38.2. Okay, and we have the next FIBO 50 around 2614 area. You can see around the same area we also have the previous support. So it's a better level. 261415 is a better level to trade. But still, we also need to consider 26425 as well. So on the chart of gold, if you're looking for reliable trading opportunities, then at this moment, these two are the only levels where, okay, trading seems to be safe. Obviously, the support zone around 26002599 is still valid, but that level is far away, so let's not talk about it. Okay, so if you are holding any position, buy, sell, doesn't matter, hold. Okay, when you will get a chance to exit, you can exit. If you're looking for fresh position in the market, so if market comes down after the market opening, we can look for buy around the support area. Stick to the level. Yesterday, we also discussed a selling opportunity around 2670 area, remember? But obviously, we did not expect this level to work after news. But yes, it worked. So on Monday, after the market opening, if we see gold going up, then the sell zone around 267073 is still very much valid. But market has already tested this level a couple of times. So yes, taking a sell can be a little bit dicey here. So if you go for a sell also, okay, do not risk more than 1% of your capital. Okay, and if you see that gold is standing at 267073 area during the US session, then there is a possibility of a breakout as well because US session will bring volume, and to break any level in any market, volume is important. So if you see that gold is showing good amount of recovery with big green candles, then there is a possibility that gold may break 267073 area. Okay, but at this moment, okay, market is closed right now. I will be coming on Monday again to discuss after a market opening how to trade. So let's not much talk about it. Let's wait for the market to open. The market opening is going to be crucial. So let me wrap it up. So after the NFP, there was a big upside on DXY, but yes, we did not see the same amount of downside on the chart of gold. Yes, there was a big red candle, but gold recovered immediately. Gold is still trading inside a range. If you look at the higher time frame, then we can see on the daily market is forming dodis and spinning tops for last 3 days. And let's not talk about a weekly chart because the weekly chart has not been helping us for a long time. Okay, so respecting the present situation, it's better to stick to the level to level trading only. So right now, if you have any buy position, continue with the buy position because gold is still bullish fundamentally, more or less, because of the ongoing geopolitical tension. If you're stuck on a sell, hold your sell position. But if you see that gold is getting bullish again, gold is out of the range, gold has crossed 2670, please exit from your sell. If you're looking for a good swing trade, then obviously it's better for you to look for trading opportunities on other pairs, because in this type of situation where a market is trading in a tight range, obviously it's not a good market, good swing traders market. So as long as gold is trading inside the range, it is better for us to stick to level trading again, because safety is important and we also need to be flexible and understand the market situation. So if we are looking for fresh position in the market, so market opening is going to be important. If market comes down after the market opening, we can look for buy around 262725 area or 261714 area. 2600 is the best support but far away. Okay. I think I forgot to explain about 2614. Wait, let me show. Okay, let me show why 26. Yeah, I think I showed. Yeah, sorry, got confused. After downside, okay, we can look for buy around this area, but after the market opening, if we see gold going up, then 267073 will play a crucial role again, because it's the same level that can also give us buy opportunity if market breaks it. So if market fails to break it, then it may also give us sell opportunity. So the time will speak and volume will speak. Right now, okay, it is too early, because market opening will show us whether market has volume or not. If volume will be missing, then obviously we can expect a sell position again. Okay, but if market goes up with big candles, then market will be going up with volume. In that case, we can look for a breakout. So let's wait and watch. And as I already said, do not take much risk, because market is an indecision. Market is trading in a tight range here. So consolidation doesn't mean that market is dull. Market is getting ready for a big blast. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a lovely weekend. Spend some lovely time, quality time with your friends and family. Okay. Bye bye.